Welcome back to CyberPink. Today we're starting the OverTheWire Bandit Challenge with Level 0. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to the Bandit server and find the password for the next level. One quick rule before we begin: don't just copy the commands. Take a moment to understand what each command does. Learning the logic behind the commands will help you solve future levels on your own. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. To connect to the Bandit server, we'll use the SSH command. After SSH, type the username, then the server address, and finally specify the port number. All of this information is provided in the Level 0 instructions on the OverTheWire website. When you press enter, you'll be asked for the password. For Level 0, the password is bandit0. Type it in and press enter. Don't worry if you don't see the password while typing. That's normal behavior in the terminal. And just like that, we're successfully logged into the Bandit server. Now our goal is simple. Find the password for Level 1. The first command we'll use is ls. This command lists all the files and folders in the current directory. After running it, you'll notice a file named readme. To read the contents of that file, we'll use the cat command followed by the file name. The cat command displays the contents of a file directly in the terminal. After running the command, the password for the next level will appear on the screen. Save that password because you'll use it to log in to Bandit Level 1. That's it. You've just completed Bandit Level 0 and learned 3 essential Linux skills: how to connect to a remote server using SSH, how to list files with ls, and how to read a file using cat. In the next video, we'll continue with Bandit Level 1 and start solving more interesting challenges. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss the rest of the Bandit series.